Are you looking for a blender to make smoothies, soups, or sauces but unsure which model to choose? Well, you're in the right video. That's what we're going to discuss. A quality blender will allow you to create delicious and smooth preparations, thanks to appropriate blending power and sturdy blades. We have tested and compared several blenders to establish this top 3 of the best models in 2024, offering power, durability, and ease of maintenance. You will find the links to these products in the description below. Don't hesitate to click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Here are the 3 best blenders, from the least expensive to the most expensive. Let's go. We start with the Magic Bullet Blender. This blender is an essential appliance for all fans of quick and practical cooking. Equipped with a 250-watt motor base, this compact blender includes 11 pieces, including high-strength plastic cups and a 10-second recipe book. Its high power allows you to chop, mix, whip, grind, and much more in no time. Easily create your favorite smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips thanks to its specially designed blades that circulate ingredients in the cyclonic cutting zone. With results in less than 10 seconds, it becomes your personal culinary assistant. Easy to clean, all accessories are dishwasher safe, and the base can be wiped down with a damp cloth. Compact and versatile, the Magic Bullet is perfect for those seeking a quick and efficient solution in their kitchen. Next, we have the Hamilton Beach Wave Blender. It's the perfect solution for creating creamy shakes and smoothies. This robust model offers 700 watts of power and 14 blending functions, allowing you to chop, puree, crush ice, and much more. Its 40-ounce glass jar is ideal for preparing multiple servings at once. The wave action technology ensures a homogeneous blend by continuously pulling ingredients towards the blades for effortless results. The Ice Saber blades are specially designed to crush ice effectively, ensuring your drinks are always refreshing. For easy cleaning, all components, including the jar and blades, are dishwasher safe. With its durable design, this blender is tested to blend up to 8,000 drinks, making it a reliable appliance for your kitchen. Finally, we have a Ninja Blender, whose model can be found in the description below. This blender is a powerful kitchen tool designed to deliver professional performance with its 1,000 watts of power. Its large capacity of 72 ounces allows for generous blends, ideal for families. Thanks to total crushing technology, this blender crushes ice and mixes fruits and vegetables in seconds, guaranteeing perfect results for your smoothies, salsas, and frozen drinks. Included with the appliance is a 10-recipe guide to inspire you to explore new culinary creations. The stainless steel blades are designed for increased durability, while the jar is made of BPA-free plastic, ensuring optimal safety for your health. For easy cleaning, all components are dishwasher safe, making maintenance of your Ninja Blender quick and convenient. Discover a new dimension of cooking with this versatile and efficient blender, perfect for all your culinary needs. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.